Okay, subtracting polynomials. This is the second video. That first video was pretty short, right? Subtracting polynomials. You can continue the notes in the same paper, right? This is the second video. Video 2. Okay, so in video 1, you know what that negative does in front of the parentheses. So now we're actually going to work out some problems. Number 1. So let's say if I have 5x cubed minus 2x squared minus 6x plus 8 minus, and then we're going to have 3x cubed plus 4x squared. By the way, this is wrong over here. Change this one. I'm sorry. This one should not be a 3 and a 3. This should be x squared, x squared. Caught that. Minus x minus 1. Okay, so what essentially we're going to do is we're not going to want a subtraction problem. And we already talked about how this negative has to be distributed, right, to all the terms, not just the first one. So this first polynomial, it's already in the correct order, so it'll stay 5x cubed minus 2x squared minus 6x plus 8. Always make sure you rewrite it. If it's not in the correct order, your first objective is to write it, the polynomial, in correct order from highest degree down to the number. And what's going to happen now is this minus, we're going to distribute it. And remember, this means not. I don't want a positive 3. I don't want a positive 4. It's not a negative x. It's not a negative 1. Not. Right? It's all it does. And when you distribute that, make sure that then now it turns into a plus. Right? We want to change these kind of like subtraction problems into addition. So now when I distribute the negative into a positive, I don't want a positive 3, so that's a negative 3x cubed. And then that's positive 4, but not positive 4, so negative 4x squared, right? We're just changing the sign. And that's not a negative, so it's a positive x. And it's not a negative 1, so it's a positive 1. And now that these are the correct signs, and remember to change that to a plus now, now we can add these. Now we can add the polynomials. Again, these were already in order, so always make sure that they're first in the correct order. Okay, so for subtracting polynomials, now we're going to use the vertical alignment, right? We're going to write these right under this one. So I'll put this one here, 5x cubed minus 2x squared minus 6x plus 8. And this one's going to go right under it. And make sure that you're writing these under the like terms. So that'll be negative 3x cubed under the x cubed minus 4x squared. So now that it's addition, you don't have to worry about signs. The signs are correct. Plus x. And we know that if it doesn't have a number, it's a 1, so plus 1x plus 1. Okay. And so now we just look at the coefficients, which are these leading integers here, and you don't change the variable. So 5 take away 3 is a 2x cubed, right? This is the x cubed group there. And negative 2 and negative 4 more, that's negative 6x squared, right? This is the x squared group terms, right? And this will be what? Negative 5x when you add the negative 6 plus 1. And then plus 9. Okay, so you can see for subtracting, this subtract is going to change the signs of the second one. And then once those signs are changed, remember it's now becomes adding. And we don't have to worry about the signs anymore. And then we add like we've already learned how to add polynomials. All right, there you go. Thank you.